there, I'm Molly Horak from the Horak Group with Remax Boone Realty, and today's seller's tip is that home buyers love natural light. Open up your curtains and blinds for a bright and airy feel. Now, as someone who shows property pretty much all day, every day, except when I'm making YouTube videos for some reason, it's like I like this or something. I do. I really like this. Anyways, as someone who shows property a lot, I can tell you that the first impression is very important. And when we walk into a home and it's dark and all the curtains are drawn and it's messy, you feel like you're invading someone's space. You feel like you're not welcome there. You feel like they weren't expecting you. You're checking your phone app to see if the appointment actually got confirmed. Yes, it got confirmed. It's green, but the house is black. The house is dark. I can't find where the light switches are. I've never shown this house before. It doesn't feel good. Make it bright, make it airy. In a well-lit home where all the windows are shining in with the natural sunlight and everything is clean and open and all the lights are on, you feel welcomed into the home. And buyers beeline to the window to look at the backyard. It's bizarre. Like it's like there's some magpie thing in us that's like, go to the window and look outside. It's like, we just got inside, but it's a thing. So make it light, make it bright, make it airy, and make it welcoming. Thanks, and I'll see you on the next one.